Hello again, and welcome to the third and final part of how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And by the way, this channel is the Rubik's Master. So, what you want to do for the third layer is basically what you essentially what you did for the bottom layer or the first layer, and solve at the beginning and solve the top cross. Now, the complicated thing with this is that you want to get the top cross solved without messing any of this up. So I taught you notation in the last video, so if you didn't get that, I would go check that out because I'm not explaining it in this video. So in order to get the top cross, you have to do one algorithm for that, and you have to do it a certain number of times. And what you'll have on the top is to either have a dot, a backwards L, which is what I have, a horizontal line, or the cross already. And obviously, if you have the cross, you can go and skip this. So, and with the algorithm, how it will work: if you have the dot, you will get the backwards L. If you have the backwards L, you will get the horizontal line. And if you have the horizontal line, after doing the algorithm, you will have a plus. So, or the cross, I guess. So what you want to do is especially if you have the backwards L, you put the corner that's blocked off in the upper left, so that way it actually is a backwards L, and do this algorithm: front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and see how that gets you the horizontal line. And so that way you do it again. You front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And that will get you the top cross. And so now, what you want to do is look for where the edge pieces match up with the center. So that blue matches with blue, in my case, and red matches with red. But these two do not match with each other. So these two are the ones that need to switch. And you'll run into two cases of this. One where either it will be one here and one here. So you always have one in the back and one in the front. And so you either have two opposite each other, or two right next to each other. So you want one in the back and one in the front, or one on the back and one on the right. In this case, I'll have one in the back, one on the right. And if you have one in the front and one in the back, you will after doing this algorithm, you will end up with two next to each other, and so you will just repeat this. So you will put one in the back and one in the right, and do this algorithm: right, up, right inverted, up, right, up two, right inverted. And then that's all you have to do if you have the front, one in the back, one in the front. And then, but for this, after doing with the two next to each other, what you want to do is turn the up face clockwise one more time. That way everything is aligned. Okay. And now, what you want to do, so we want to look for a corner piece that is in the right spot, but not necessarily solved. So for instance, this is a orange, yellow, green corner piece. So, and it's in the orange, yellow, green corner slot. So this one's in the right spot. So what you want to do is put it in the front top right corner where it is now, and do this algorithm: up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And you keep on repeating that until all corner pieces are in the right spot. So up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And you should only have to do that like twice, if I remember correctly. So now what you want to do is flip it so where the yellow is on the bottom. And you want to put a unsolved corner piece in the lower right. So you want to do this algorithm with it in there. And this is only a 4-move algorithm, but you repeat it numerous times. And so I'm going to explain a little bit as I do it. So you do right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, and then that's the algorithm. So I do it again in order to get this corner piece solved in this spot. So right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. Okay, so now that this piece is solved, I can move, ignore everything else that's mixed up because it will come together at the end. What you want to do is move this layer so where the next piece is in the spot spot where the last solved piece was, and then do the same algorithm. So right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, and do this as many times as you need. Right, inverted, up, inverted, in order to get all the pieces into the right solved. So that way, so then right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, and for me that's all I needed to do. But you could have had to do 3 of them. Could have had to do 4 of them, all 4 of them. So, for instance, let's see if I can get a for instance. This is one with all 4 of them. Okay. So, for instance, I have one with all 4. So, put one here. Do right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. And it's not solved yet, so I can continue. Right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. That up, inverted is very important because if you skip that, it throws the orientation of everything else off. So make sure you complete that. So then you move the next piece into that slot. So then you do right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. And now that that is solved, and I move the next one in, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. Not solved, so 2 more times, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. And then move the last one into its position, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, right, up, right, inverted, up, inverted. And now I just rotate this to make everything solved. And that is it. That is how you solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Not too hard after you know what you're doing, by figuring it out. That's the fun part. So, please comment below for me to tell you, for you to tell me what you want me to teach you how to solve next. I can obviously solve every single one of these. So, yeah. These 2 things are fun, by the way. If you don't have one, I would get one of these. They're really fun. They're just something that you can do with your hands. Snake Cube's fun. 2x2 is pretty cool. Of course, I think all these are pretty cool. So, yeah. Tell me what you want me to teach you to solve. And I will do that. So, this is the Rubik's Master, out. Peace.